Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Trust Wallet to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this tutorial will walk you through the steps safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have both Trust Wallet installed on your device and a verified Kraken account set up. You'll also need some XRP in your Trust Wallet with enough for transaction fees. Security is key, so double-check that you're on the official apps to avoid scams. Step 1. Open your Kraken account on a secure browser or app. Navigate to the Deposit section, select XRP from the list of cryptocurrencies, and copy your unique deposit address. Don't forget to note any destination tag if it's provided. XRP transfers often require this to ensure your funds go to the right place. Step 2. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Go to the XRP wallet by selecting it from your asset list. Tap on the Send button to start the transfer process. Step 3. Paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. If you have a destination tag, enter it in the memo or tag section. This is crucial to prevent your XRP from getting lost. Next, input the amount of XRP you want to send, but leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Step 4. Review all the details carefully. This includes the address, amount, and any tags. Once you're confident, hit Confirm to broadcast the transaction. You'll see a confirmation screen, and it might take a few minutes for the blockchain to process it. Step 5. Head back to Kraken and check your account under the Assets or History section. Your XRP should appear shortly, but if it's a busy time, it could take up to an hour. If you run into issues, reach out to Kraken's support. And there you have it. Your XRP is now on Kraken, ready for trading or storage. Remember, always prioritize security in crypto transfers. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.